NU 668, Roles and Issues in Advanced Practice by Shannon Lydon. What is a nurse practitioner? A nurse practitioner is an advanced practice nurse. They are able to perform physical examinations, prescribe medications, provide referrals, educate their patients, perform procedures such as IUD insertions or steroid injections, as well as diagnose their patients. How does a nurse practitioner differ from a physician assistant? PAs, or physician's assistant, practice under direct supervision of a physician, whereas a nurse practitioner may practice independently in some states. Nurse practitioners focus on a certain population, such as pediatrics, women's health, geriatrics, whereas physician's assistants focus on an area of medicine, such as emergency medicine or surgical. How does a nurse practitioner differ from a physician? The job outlook for nurse practitioners is projected to grow 45% from 2019 to 2029, whereas the projected growth for a physician is roughly 7% for these same years. The training for both of these positions is vastly different. To become a nurse practitioner, you'll need to first earn a registered nurse license by completing a Bachelor of Science. You will then need to get a graduate degree in your Master of Science in Nursing or a doctorate of nursing practice. Some nurse practitioners cannot practice or prescribe without authority from a doctor. In Massachusetts, they can prescribe independently. Why don't you just become a physician? Nurse practitioners in the state of Massachusetts may provide care autonomously without oversight by a physician. Nurse practitioners can deliver care equally, but at a lower cost to the patient. The U.S. is seeing a growth in population in combination with an aging population, so there is certainly a need for nurse practitioners. Nurse practitioners focus on a wellness model, meaning that they promote health and wellness, focusing more so on a holistic approach, whereas physicians focus on the disease process of the patient. Please see the attached references on the final slide